Welcome back to Anthony Lee Raw. Akash, guys. AKT. I know it's called Akash, but I'm from the South. We call it Akash. Akash blasting off today. Up about 12% on the day, and the question is, can this rally continue, or is this just a fake pump before rolling back over? We're going to try to dive in and take a look at that. I'm on Akash on the 3-day time frame. Now, this is not a macro price prediction video. I have my bull run price predictions. Head on over to the YouTube channel. Check those out for the more macro time frame stuff. We're going to look at more medium and short-term time frame today, guys. So Akash, like I said, up about 12% on the day, and we've been having this pretty significant pullback on the last couple of weeks. Akash is down about 60, almost 60% from the top that it set back in May of about 95 cents or so, guys. So pretty significant pullback, and we're getting the rally today. You can see the buy signal came in. I'm on the 3-daily time frame. It is not confirmed. It will confirm with today's close. And guys, this indicator is amazing. It calls all the best counter trend rallies. You can see it is firing off there. It's called the Damien indicator. You can only get this at AnthonyLeeRaw.com. That's it. You can't get it anywhere else. It is the greatest indicator. I'm not even kidding. AnthonyLeeRaw.com. Come on over here, indicators tab. Get the suite of indicators. You buy 3, you get 2 free. We have 5 of them in here, or you can get them individually. There is Damien. It is lifetime access, works on a free TradingView account or paid, doesn't matter. Anyway, back to business. You can see the last few times we've gotten this, just big, massive moves up. Every single one of them, guys. We can look back, just all the counter trend rallies, and these are bigger moves than you think. Look at the one even back here that doesn't look very big. It's 40+%, so catches the big moves. But the question is, can this rally continue? I will say this. Everything at this point, almost everything depends on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin rolls over and heads down, then everything, no matter how bullish, no matter the signal, no matter anything, is going to roll over. But if Bitcoin can hold steady or even move up a little, it doesn't even have to move up a lot. Just hold steady, stay flat, then Akash has a real chance here, okay? I do think the low is in for the bear market for Akash, okay? You got the low here, and you have a 5-wave move up, and you did break market structure. You can see you were coming down just lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower high, lower lows, and then you set the low in February, and you started working your way back up, and you changed market structure. So we have flipped to a bullish overall market structure. Now, we're in a little downtrend right now, but we're macro bullish, okay? What I see here, and I'm not an Elliott wave guy, but I am a market structure person. We have a 5-wave move up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we have an ABC correction here, ABC. Okay, so what I would expect, if Bitcoin holds steady, I would expect to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 back up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And these legs don't have to be exactly proportioned this way. 3 may be a little higher, but what you need to be on the lookout for, guys, if you take this high, one of 2 things is going to happen. Okay, you could swing failure pattern that and just roll right back over, liquidity grab, right, and then come back down. But if you don't, and I mean very quickly, within no more than 2 days, come back and close below. It's called a failed auction, swing failure pattern, right? If you close 2 daily candles above this, guys, look to the left. And look at this series of relatively equal highs right here, guys. Just liquidity begging to be taken, guys. So if you can hold for, I would say, 2 days above this, once you get into these levels here and price comes up, you will start a domino effect of gunpowder. Boom, 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 boom. And I could see you easily moving right up into your golden pocket market cap retrace level. Now, that's almost $3. I'm not saying this is going to happen tomorrow or next week, but if you get above this high and you don't roll right back over, it's going to happen a lot faster than you think. This is one of those candles you're going to see just like last cycle where you came into it right here, and it is just like 1 week just straight up, just like that. It's going to look almost identical. In fact, it was in the same area. Look at that, in the same exact area. And you have that liquidity built up again. So if you get into that, guys, this has a chance, okay? You have flipped market structure to bearish. Now we got ABC correction, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You could see something just like that. And again, I mean, this could take several months to play out, a few months. But the point is, to me, in my opinion, the bottom has been solidified. You have flipped this to macro. So even if we come back and pull back a little, I would look for that big push up. We are getting the Damien 3-day buy signal here, guys. And this is a good signal. The last time you got this signal right down here, you got to move up on Akash of almost 300%. So don't think this can't be done. And again, I'm not saying it's going to happen overnight, but everything looks good for Akash. This looks very, very bullish. One of the better looking coins, even with a significantly diluted circulating supply. This coin is holding strong and extremely bullish. I'm a big fan. I do not own Akash. I wish I did, but I missed the bottom on it, and I'm just not willing to buy it in right here. But this looks very, very good. You do see my bull run price prediction up there. Go watch the other videos. Get on over AnthonyLeeRaw.com. Get your Damien indicator, called the bottom, called the top. You do not want to go through the next cycle without this indicator, guys. It works on any time frame, works on any asset. I'll see you guys next time.